2024 has been an incredible year, and without you all, it would not have been possible. Let's take a look at some of these great moments.
How much do you think they spent on this?
I'm not even gonna answer that, because honestly, I don't know. There's just so much going on in here. It looks phenomenal. So, you ready?
Yes, I'm so ready.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Bring Mika with you too, because this is gonna be...
Yeah, he'll probably come. He's very angsty, but...
He's gonna like it. You ready?
He's gonna like it? Wait, Mika's gonna like it? I can look?
Go ahead. Yeah, that's what I said Mika's gonna like it.
What?
So,
What?
So our good friend Pseudo, she did this for us. Again, this is literally a one-of-one print. Nobody else is gonna have this.
This is so much cooler than I thought it was gonna be.
Well, we had to make it really unique. That's why when we...
Oh, this is entire... I've never seen a PC like this.
Really?
Yes, never. Like, that's insane. That is so crazy.
Yeah, because I know you have one from us, but it's more of a it's a PC.
Yeah.
So this is more of a special...
This looks like an art piece.
It is.
It's incredible.
It is an art piece.
I'm baffled. I don't even know what to say. Thank you guys so much.
Awesome.
Oh my God, I'm getting overwhelmed. Wow.
I'm glad. Obviously the Mika thing was a big thing as well.
This is so beautiful.
Yeah. All right, you ready?
Yes.
All right, so we're not gonna show this on camera.
Oh yeah, you guys can't see it.
This is Brooke's.
Oh my God.
And then this is Courage's.
Oh, they are going to lose their mind.
All right, so we're here with Brooke.
Hello.
Been a very big supporter of ours.
Yes.
So I thought this really was something that I really wanted to do with you because, like I said, you've been supporting us for a very long time, and this one-of-one print that we did for you, no one else has seen it. Literally just our team.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! It's a heart. Are you kidding me?
Yeah. So it's a full print. This is not a wrap. This is literally printed on the case.
Are you kidding me? This is the cutest
thing.
It has my name on it.
And if you look at the back here, you have a little different emotions as well.
Oh my God, this is so cute. And it's so pink, it's so me. Pink, cutesy, all that stuff.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, and on top, the stars and the BrookeAB.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So like I said, you could actually feel this is literally like you can feel the paint.
Oh my God, you can.
It's a special printer that we have in the warehouse that literally prints directly on there. Yeah, it's printed on there. This is not vinyl wrapping, this is none of that. This is directly printed on there.
This is literally on it.
Yeah. All right, so we just revealed Brooke's PC, and now we're gonna get to reveal Jack's PC, and she's gonna be able to see it first. I know this is a stream PC, but for all the support you've done for me, I wanted to do something crazy. And Brooke's came out phenomenal too, but yours is pretty crazy as well. So, you ready to see it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Roll mid-roll ad. All right, ready? Go. And now. Yo! Holy sh! Bro, I did not expect a whole custom case. I was like, how much can they do with it by just, oh my God. This is one of the coolest things I've ever seen in my whole life.
It matches the room, right?
Oh yeah, does it match the room? Bro, this far exceeded every expectation. This is unbelievable. Thank you.
Like I was telling Brooke, our good friend Pseudo, she's an artist.
Yeah.
She's been working with us with the new printer that we got in, and this is what we've been doing. This is actually our first creator builds with the UV print.
Will this give me over 10,000 viewers again for the first time in years?
I'm not sure about that. That's yeah.
You. I had no idea. I just thought we were getting a new computer, like a normal.
That's literally what Ray thought too. And then when she saw it, it was the same thing. Like I'm so glad we did these though. The one-of-one prints just
Looks so good.
So enjoy the PC.
Thank you, bro.
You know, you got my number. If you ever need anything else, hit me up. And again, thank you for the support as well for all the years. It means a lot.
Man deserves it.
So thank you.
Looks great. Now I gotta set this PC up, so give me 6 hours and I got it.
All right. That's actually printed on the side panel. Printed the whole thing. So this is one of one. Nobody else is getting it. That's yours.
No, I need that. I'm not
That's
gonna
what I'm saying. You see it? You see it?
My face is in there.
Yeah, your face is in there too. It's on the face.
So wait, what's this one here then?
So that's the AMP PowerGPU vessel. That's the collaboration we did.
So that's the one.
So that's the ones y'all were using.
Got you.
That was working
Oh, mine
perfectly.
shattered, so that's why I see that.
That's why you didn't see. Well, the top was shattered, but you at least can see the print.
Nah, both of these are tough.
Nah, they both
That's
tough.
You know, this is
That's tough. I like this.
And then this is pretty much her hand designing it with the can.
Like it's literally printed.
That's what I was saying. I want to do you guys one as well. Do custom prints and everything. I mean, you can take this.
This is
off.
fire too.
Oh, this one, yeah.
AMP.
This is what we're gonna be using while we here.
Yep. You thought we were done, huh?
Oh my god! Oh my god! What? Yo, that is too tough!
If you win, this is the one you get.
Okay.
With the Skyline. Obviously, here in Tavares, so we had to
Yo, you know that's my dream car, right?
R34?
Yeah.
That'd be 26.
I almost bought one like 2 months ago.
That's crazy.
I've been trying to resist.
Godzilla. Everyone
Yeah.
loves Godzilla. So actually, keep around. Yeah, go around.
Wait, why is that so tough?
So you got champion, crowns up top. It says champion at the top again. Champion.
Oh, that's insane.
So if you win, Scott, that'll be your PC.
You won't have to take it off.
Oh,
You don't have to take it off.
He might as
No.
well.
The confidence level.
Dude, this is sick.
That
like
is
it?
tough.
The artwork's
That
insane.
is tough.
Dude, awesome.
Yeah, so Pseudo
That's
Custom, she
pretty.
does all our stuff, man. She's been killing it. But as you can see, we kind of did a football theme for you.
Oh, yeah.
NFL. And,
Thank you.
yeah, of course, man.
Right here, talking up This is your trophy.
Oh my god, you have no idea how much you can help.
You want to give him his?
Yeah, let me give him his panel actually. Let me give him a sketch participation trophy. Yo, team, let's walk this over to sketch. Let's walk this over to sketch. Give him his prize, all right? But look, though, we got your prize. Let's go. Let's go for sketch.
Thank you, bro.
Here you go. You got your panel.
Dude, shout out them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just want to show you the print that we did, the one-of-one print. Really quick design. Yeah, this is actually like literally ink.
No, I know, it feels incredible.
It's called the UV print. So it's a massive printer we have in the warehouse that literally just prints it right through with the design. It'll print it like in 40, 15 minutes and they're done.
Let's go.
So it's pretty sick stuff, but yeah, someone won it.
Congratulations.
Congrats, guys.
Enjoy it.
This is hands down greatest SIG ever. You know what that stands for, by the way? It's Ninja in Final Fantasy 11, dude. Nin.
You and Final Fantasy, bro. We took over Kai's mansion for Mafiathon and supplied him with the latest tech in gaming. Let's go check it out.
Oh shit. Oh, that's so cool.
Look at all the just literally all the.
Yeah, Kai's Club, Evie's Diner, my daughter's names. Look at that. Amelia was here. Oh, dude, Penelope.
Yeah.
Route 252. That's so cool.
So it has your, the saying?
Yeah,
is up here.
Ese Quan Guerreri, which is also the slogan for North Carolina.
Oh, that's true. I didn't think about that.
That's so cool, dude.
Yeah, so the guys did it's like a depth of field type thing. Like it's all
Yeah.
really detailed here, and then it's kind of blurry here in the background a little bit.
Yeah.
Just kind of blending in.
That's
But
so
it's all
cool.
custom. Literally, this is all designed from the ground up by our good friends. They've been killing it with us.
Yes.
Not a problem, man. Thank you again. Like I said, definitely wanted you to be a part of the PowerGPU family. And make sure to check out Scotty. This guy's growing so fast, it's insane. Thank you all for 2024. I cannot wait to show you what we all do in 2025.